Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we apply our fenugreek mask, which we made previously in our last video. So if you haven't watched that video, do well to go back and watch the video so you can find out how we made the mask. Before we start applying, let me show you what the mask looks like. So this is our bowl of goodness. This contains fenugreek mask. So let me show you what it looks like. This is it. Bowl of goodness. So now let's start applying our marks. But before we do that, I will section my hair into 4 workable parts to make it easier for me to apply. So let me do that and we'll start applying. So if you're interested to know what the outcome will be like, keep watching. Okay, we're going to start from this section of our hair. So let's start applying. We'll be focusing on the tip of our hair. I am loving this already. My hair is feeling so soft. Guys, just take a look at my hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, just take a look at my hair. Gee. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have never seen my hair like this before. Oh goodness. Oh god. I just wish my hair can be like this forever. Like, oh my god. Oh, I'm loving this already. I'm loving this. Oh my god. I have never seen my hair like this before. My hair has never been this coily before. Guys, did you see? Did you see my coil? Just take a look. Take a look at my hair. Oh God. This is the holy grail. This is it. This is the deal. Oh God. I am so impressed. Woo. I just wish my hair could be like this forever, with or without fenugreek mask. I just feel like leaving my hair like that. Oh my God. So let's work on this part. I feel so happy right now. I feel so happy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's apply on the edges. Let's apply on the tip and remove shed hair. And this is so soothing to the scalp. I just feel like using it on my face too because this feels so good. Just look. Guys, look now. Look now. Look. Eh, I can't even hide my happiness, okay? When you're getting the results you expected. When you're getting what you expected. Can you see? If you're not going to try this thing, you are missing something. You are missing something. Can you see how happy I am just doing this thing? It's giving. This came to give. He came to give. He ate and he left no crumbs. This Max ate and left no damn crumbs. Ah, God, can you see how easy my hands run through my hair? Like, oh my God. This is me being genuinely happy for the results. I am so happy. Like, this is giving everything. It gave. It gave. Okay. This is giving me so much joy. This is giving me so much joy. Guys, just take a look at my hair. Take a look at my hair now. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this goodness. It's giving. Oh my God. I cannot just stop admiring my hair. My hair feels so healthy. It feels so healthy. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. I'll wash it out and I'll come back for the results. You guys, thank you for watching. Okay, I'll be back for the results after 30 minutes. I cannot stop. I cannot stop admiring my hair. Oh God. So guys, I have washed my hair and this is what it looks like now. My hair feels so soft. Like, my hair is feeling so soft. My hair even feels more healthy. So now I will go ahead and moisturize my hair, bro. I'm not going to moisturize this right now because I don't want this video to be too long. This is where we draw the curtains. I hope you all have a nice day and thank you for watching. Bye.